Hello, just thought I'd do an update on the EUP project. I got the boards the other day. Here's one that I've made up already. There are no problems with it. It built up okay. Yeah, exactly as planned. The only issue, you will recall on the thread I mentioned about battery holder, I got the polarity of that back to front. So here I've actually fitted a larger style one, a 2032, for the purposes of trying the battery backup, and that's fitted okay. But yeah, sure enough, I do get a bit of corruption, so I'm just going to leave that battery back side of things alone for the moment. In that case, I've got fitted here the Dallas chip I mentioned, which is 32k RAM chip with built-in lithium battery, so it functions as non-volatile RAM. The board itself essentially adds a 6522 chip, you can see that there, and gives you a couple of 8-bit user ports, so exactly as per the Beeb, and they're wired the same, so you can use any Beeb user port peripherals on the Electron. You might have to change the software a bit, of course. And the other thing you get is the EUP URS connector. That looks like a PC serial port, but it's compatible with that, but it's a high-speed serial interface that requires some special software. You've probably read about it anyway. So there we go, and it's easiest for me perhaps to do a quick demo of the board using EUP URS. So what I'll do, I'll whack this into the my Electron, into the +1, which is actually a Rombox Plus, as you can see, not a +1, but it'll work with either. I'll plug the PC serial cable in, and that is an FTDI adapter, USB to serial, which is plugged into the laptop. And if I flash up the Electron, there we go, and if I do a star help now, you'll see that it's got EUP URS 6, which is the Elk version. I've called it version 6 at the moment, but I think, talking to Paul, we'll call it Elk version 1 or something. So if we dive in straight away, I've actually got, so all we've got is Electron, the EUP board, serial cable and a laptop. And there's no, although there's a disk drive hanging around there, it's not fitted to Electron at the moment. So if we do, we'll try the direct run system, UPCFS star, UPCFS, and that comes up with, shows us version 6 again. And I've got on here, I've got a program queued up. I think it's Silent Attack, so we'll do a Control S. That's getting ready to send. And on here we'll do chain ch dot and press enter, and you can see it essentially loads. It's loading via high-speed RS-232 directly from the PC straight through to the Electron I'm running. So what's this? Do you want instructions? No. This is a UEF file, which is just an image of the tape file, not a disk file. Load high score table, no. And there we go, that's running Silent Attack directly from the PC. I should stress that all the UPCFS work's been done on the BBC, and we've got kind of 90% compatibility with UEF files on the BBC. I haven't done any work on Electron yet. All I've done is a straight conversion. So I've tried a few that seem to work, and there's a few that don't. I just need to have a look in more detail at the actual Electron version. So that's testing the EUP card using the direct load system. If I turn the Electron off for a moment, and we'll just have one quick look at disk image transfer. If I fit a disk interface, I happen to have a Pegasus here, so we'll whack that in. There we go. So we've got a Slogger Pegasus 400. If I fire that up, and you'll see Slogger Pegasus 400. So if we want to actually make a disk of an image off the internet, so if I, over here, what I'll do is I'll send a file, Chucky Egg. Okay, what I'm going to do is start EUP SSD 0, and I've got a 3.5 inch disk in drive 0. So press enter, insert disk, MPC file, and hit space. So I'll send the PC file and hit space, and it says receiving, disk drive's running. So what this is doing is taking SSD off the PC, transfer ended, and it's just made a standard DFS disk of it. So shift break to run the program, and that should be Chucky Egg. Yeah, there you go. So S to start, one player. So that's making an actual disk image that then you can obviously use subsequently without the UPURS interface. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update where we are. I've got one small issue, that the onboard ROM on the EUP card, just occasionally it's not seeing it when I switch the Electron on. So there might be some little problem with the MC or something. I might need a little capacitor on, which is all I'm looking at the moment. But essentially the board's working fine. Just with the one wrinkle that I'm not going to suggest that we add the battery backup at the moment, because there's something else I need to look at. But other than that, the project, the EUP boards look fine, so I'll be able to send them out soon. Thank you.